For latest astrology videos, subscribe Astrodify channel and press this bell icon to get notified when a new video goes live.
Hello everybody, welcome to Astrodify. Today we are going to discuss that what happens when Saturn is in the sign of Sagittarius in anybody's horoscope. So let's start this video. If you want to book a consultation for yourself, you can go on this website. The link is given in the description. So we are going to discuss about Saturn in Sagittarius today. So the first thing which we can see here is that this is a really good sign for Saturn actually. And the lord of this sign is Jupiter. Now Saturn and Jupiter are neutral to each other. They are neither the enemies nor the friends. It depends on the entire situation, planetary situation in the chart, that how they are going to behave with each other. So in general, if we talk about the sign, that how the sign is and what are the similarities between Saturn and Sagittarius, then in general it is really a good sign, because Sagittarius, mainly the reason here is that Sagittarius is your ideals, morals, ethics, values and principles, and Saturn also is the is not exactly the same thing, but Saturn is not responsible for making your ethics and values and ideals and morals and principles. That is Jupiter. But Saturn is the planet which enforces your ideals, morals, ethics, values and principles in real life. So it is not the maker of the law, but rather the implementer of the law. So it is the planet responsible for enforcement of your ideologies in real life. So Saturn is the planet which controls your karma. Karma means the actions, and Sagittarius, which is Jupiter, controlled by Jupiter, both of them regulate and control our dharma. Dharma means our morals, ideals, values, principles, which we have made for ourselves in our life so that we can follow them and live our life. So that is what Jupiter controls, that is what Sagittarius controls. And to live a life with a moral code of conduct, Saturn is the planet which helps the person to do that in real life. It is not Jupiter actually. Both of them are really important, but Jupiter is like the policy maker and Saturn is like the implementer of that policy in real life. So this is why these two things, means Saturn as well as Sagittarius, both of them are really actually supporting each other and coming together in order to fulfill one task of the person's life, that is to lead a life with a moral code of conduct. That is what Saturn tries to give here. So we are going to discuss the results of Saturn now, but in general if we talk, it is a really good sign for Saturn. If Jupiter is well placed, we can expect quite good results from this particular alignment in the chart. Of course there are some negative aspects, but we will discuss that in at the end of the video. So first of all, if in the chart the Jupiter, Moon, Lagna Lord means the ascendant Lord, and the 9th house, and 9th house and Jupiter are really important for our morals and ethics and values and principles, means the dharma. Dharma means what will be the duty that you are going to fulfill in your life, and how you are going to fulfill in your life by leading some ideological with some ideologies, having some morals or codes or a code of conduct, or just lead that in an unethical, illegal way. So that is decided by the placement of Jupiter as well as the 9th house. So if Jupiter, Moon, Lagna Lord and 9th house are well placed, then Saturn here makes person an ardent follower of dharma. And what is dharma? I told you. Then it also makes the person quite ethical, moralistic, law abiding, just, committed in each and every task, not just committed to one particular area of your life, like I am committed to my career and not towards my family. It tries to give the sense of responsibility to the person, and later on makes person realize that you have to commit to these things in order to fulfill them properly. Otherwise you are going to face difficulties in one or the other areas of your life. So that is one thing. And next, Saturn, as I said, it is a planet of action. So obviously it makes person quite action oriented, means enforce the code of conduct in real life. What are the values and principles? What are the morals? What are the ethics which you have made for yourselves? Not the rules of the society. Rules of the society are different. That you have to follow. Everybody has to follow. Otherwise, it will be anarchy everywhere. But the thing here is that apart from the societal rules, what are the individual beliefs upon which you have developed your own principles and morals in your life, and how by utilizing them you are going to use them practically in your life to lead it the way you want to do it. That is why Saturn becomes quite relevant here. So it makes person responsible, action oriented. Obviously it makes person mature. If it is well placed, other planets support it, it makes person mature, patient, foresighted. It means people are going to think and they have capability to see the things ahead of themselves. So that kind of capability can be seen. Observant, it gives keen observation to the person, and also makes person quite self-introspective. Analyze your own self, that how you are performing in your life, whether this is the kind of life which you wanted. Are you living that kind of life, or is there something which you do not like and you want to change? And if you want to change, how you are going to do it? So self-introspection can be seen. It also makes person quite scientific, because Saturn does not believe in any kind of, what you can say, imposed beliefs upon it. It asks questions. So Saturn is a scientific, logical planet. So here it makes person also scientific and logical and rational in attitude, and that is a very good thing, that this kind of attitude is responsible for the build up of the belief system of the person. And at the same time it also makes person philosophical, religious. But remember, religion is mostly followed without orthodoxy and superstition. So the essence of religion can be seen here if other planets are supporting it. Then obviously one more thing, that it will make person spiritual, and also Saturn is a planet of service. So it gives affinity to serve the humanity, to the people, and to to anybody, in order to bring some change and upliftment in society in whatsoever manner possible. I am not talking about the scale of upliftment and change. The scale can be small or big. It does not matter. The thing here is that the desire, the affinity, the internal wish, in order to bring some change, even though it is small, to bring some upliftment in society, a genuine desire for that can be seen and given by Saturn here, and people work for that. So that is a good thing here if Saturn is well placed. Now another thing here is that since Sagittarius is a sign of beliefs, and Saturn is a planet which is quite somewhat what you can say, conservative sometimes. So it is a slow planet. So it gives a rigid and firm conviction in one's own individual beliefs and ideologies which the person follows. They could be any of them. Every person has his own belief and belief system and ideologies which they follow, which they adhere to. It is different for every person. From it varies. But here the thing is that Saturn is giving that kind of rigidity and firm conviction, due to which there is a proneness to be cynical, critical, and have a pedantic behavior sometimes to others who are having contrary beliefs than you or thinking than you. That is the problem which can be seen with the people here. And one more thing here is that and this is really important, because if Jupiter, Moon and Lagna Lord are well placed, then the belief system upon which the person is living his life, that will be based on logic, rationality, morality and philosophy. Otherwise they can easily fall prey to excessive conservatism, fundamentalism, brainwashing, superstition, orthodoxy and bigotry. It can be easily seen. And criticism of others and indifference towards one's own flaws. Why? Because of arrogance by knowledge and notion of intellectual superiority, that my belief, my thinking and my knowledge is higher and superior than yours. That kind of problem can also be generated by Saturn, and this is the really big problem due to which we can see all kind of chaotic behavior in the society, because many people have this and they cannot accept, because Saturn here, if it is functioning in its utmost brilliance, then Saturn is a planet which has no perception at all. But Sagittarius is a sign of belief system. Now Saturn is forced to have a belief system, and it is with a belief system, remember, a person attains a perception, and perception means you are having just one side, one view of the truth. So it means that what beliefs you have, what ideologies you follow, they might be correct, they can be correct, but they are not going to show you the 100% truth. It is impossible. So you are just seeing one side of the truth, and the other side which is not reflected, not visible to you. And if the other side is depicted and what you can say shared by some other person who has another viewpoint than yours, then you will think that what he is saying is wrong and what I am saying is correct, because what I am seeing, it is not only just one facet, one view of truth, it is entire truth. That is the mistake people make here, if Jupiter, Moon and Lagna Lord are badly placed. So you can see that how from being a really good planet and giving a really perceptionless viewpoint and making person really philosophical and spiritual in nature, Saturn has full capability now to bring this kind of specific behavior or belief system which can be harmful to the society. It can be, and this is the reason why all across the whole world we can see that there is separation and segregation based on caste, creed, religion, ethnic background and gender and what you can say, or any other means, any other criteria or category which might not have been invented yet. So that can be seen. All politics is dependent on this behavior throughout the world. So the thing here is that you have to be careful. If you have certain kind of this behavior, the thing what I will suggest here is that listen to the other person's viewpoint without being cynical, without being prejudiced, because you do not know the entire truth. Nobody knows the entire truth. So if you think that you know the entire truth, you are mistaken. Try to know the entire truth as much as possible. You cannot know it 100%, but you can make it much more than you already know. So if you become perceptionless and yet follow the dharma means your duty, that is the best behavior of Saturn here. So that if a person is following, it makes Saturn quite strong, not bad. So that is one very important point which I wanted to share here. I think you would have understood this. Now the next thing here is that if some spiritual yogas are happening in the chart, then it is very good for Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga and Jyotish means astrology, Tantra and monasticism and self-realization also, if combinations are really good. Then there are several career fields. If Saturn is responsible for your career, then we can see that it is very good for teaching, education sector. We can say it is good for preaching. We can say motivational speakers and preachers and every people who are related to religious works and organizations can be seen with this. Philosophers can be seen. It is good for philosophy, yoga, astrology, mantra, tantra, occult sciences, law, judiciary, administration, government, politics, defense services, police services, security and safety sector, insurance, agriculture, construction and real estate sector, infrastructure sector, oil and gas, iron and steel industry, coal and mining and manufacturing and machinery and engineering and technology and astronomy can be seen with these particular placement of Saturn if other yogas are happening in such a manner. And it is good for research in any field. It can give research easily, and good for geology, geography, archaeology, mythology, history, healthcare, medicine, alternative medicine, psychology. It is good for writing and mass communication also. These are really good fields where Saturn can give quite good career options to the person if it is making such kind of combinations. So now let's talk about the implications of Saturn of if the Jupiter, Moon and Lagna Lord are badly placed or they are afflicted. So the more problems will be there, means the more Saturn or Moon or Lagna Lord or Jupiter are badly placed, the more negative results can be seen in the life of the person. So you can see mixed results also, you can see 1 or 2 negative results also, but the intensity of the negative results will increase much more as the Saturn, Lagna Lord, Moon and Jupiter are badly placed. The more they are badly placed, the negative results there will be. So what kind of negative results can Saturn give here, that we are going to discuss. Before moving on, I just want to share here a sign of note that take it as a source of information. Do not jump to conclusions. First see and analyze the entire chart. We do not know where Saturn is placed, what houses it is controlling, how it is placed in other divisional charts and what kind of yogas it is making. We are just sharing and discussing the information of a particular planet in a particular Rashi, what kind of results and it can give, all kind of permutations and combinations possible, that we are discussing. So take it as a source of information mainly. So if they are badly placed and making bad yogas, then negative results what it can give. First, it can give stealing in the name of religion, false cults, conservatism, superstition, hypocrisy, false idealism, fanaticism, fundamentalism, ideological parochialism, faulty or corrupt ideologies, maligning of religion, culture and ancient scriptures, and playing with the faith of people for personal material gains. It can be seen easily. Then other than this, excessive corruption, of course, and that too, person might sound very moralistic, but they indulge in excessive corruption. So that is what hypocrisy is. And all kind of dirty politics and all that can be seen. And one more thing is that a person can renounce one's own religion and seek another religion or culture, or they can entirely reject all the religions and become atheist also. That can be seen here, because Saturn is a logical planet. Okay, it does not accept all kind of beliefs or traditions of faiths thrown upon it just like that. It questions. If the questions are satisfied with proper answers, then it believes. Otherwise, it will discard the entire tradition, religion or culture or philosophy. That is the nature of Saturn. Then it can also, if it is badly placed, then here it can, if any person has his own guru, means a teacher or a mentor, so it can give affinity for deceiving one's own guru, father, teachers or mentors. Bad relationship with father, or poor health of father, or father may have died early, you did not got any chance to have father in your life, or father was absent throughout your life, or any kind of problems with father can be seen, with teachers and mentors can be seen if it is badly placed. Then wrong use of the knowledge, means you are not using the knowledge for service of the humanity, but rather for individual personal gains, which will create problems to society. The wrong use of knowledge. Health problems can be seen. A lot of health problems can be seen, particularly of bones, hips, thighs. We can see rheumatism or arthritis with this, spinal cord problems, various mental disorders. All kind of mental disorders actually can be seen. Paralysis can be seen. Any kind of diseases or health issues related to stomach and gastrointestinal system, respiratory problems can be seen. So these are the results of Saturn, which are obviously on a negative side, but as I said, you have to judge the entire horoscope and then come to conclusion. Do not jump to them. So this is all from my side regarding the Saturn's placement in Sagittarius today. I think you would have understood quite in detail that how Saturn behaves and what kind of results can be seen if Saturn is in the sign of Sagittarius. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe below for more. Check on my website and Facebook page. Otherwise, we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.